Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 11.3 question number 17. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 cm long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? See, this is a minute hand. That means the minute hand will in 1 hour it will move from here to here. That means 360 degree. That means right. That means this tip of the arrow, the minute hand will move in 1 hour from here to here. That means 360 degree, right? Because this is a minute hour. In 1 hour it will move 360 degree, right? If we can say the question was, how far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? That means we find this distance, because in 1 hour the tip of the minute hand moves complete one circle, right? In 1 hour, in 1 hour, in 1 hour, the minute hand the minute hand completes one full rotation in 1 hour, because this is the minute hand. That means this minute hand will move from here, starting from here, it will move from here. Then we need to find the distance, this distance, and this is our radius. Then this is a circle, then we have to find the value of 2 pi r. Therefore circumference of the circle, circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. R means radius. Radius means the length of the circular length of the minute hand, that is given as 15 centimeter. Therefore we are getting 2 into 3.14 into radius means the length of the minute hand, that is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter, right? That means we are getting 15 to the 30 into 3.14 centimeter. If we multiply this one, 3.14 with 30, then we are getting, this is 0 0 0, this is 3 4 is 12, carry 1, it is 2, 3 plus 1 is 4, this is a 9, 0 2 9 4 9. Point is after 2 decimal point, 2 digit, that is 94.20, or is equal to 94.20 centimeter. Right? What is the question? How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? Therefore, the tip of the minute hand, therefore the tip of the minute hand, tip of the minute hand move 94.20 centimeter in 1 hour. That means what you have to find out that in 1 hour the minute hand will complete one rotation, because this is the minute hand. 1 minute is 1 hour is equal to 60 1 hour to 60 minutes, right? That means this minute hand will move complete one rotation. That means you have to find the distance of this circle, and the radius is how much? 15 centimeter. Therefore, the circumference of this circle is 2 pi r, right? And that we are getting 94.20 centimeter, right? Therefore, the tip of the minute hand will move. The tip of the minute hand will move 94.20 centimeter in 1 hour. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.